I should have been using these products ages ago. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Bugs Under. Hey, what are you doing? Did you wash and cleanse your face today? No? Of course you didn't. I didn't either. In fact, I haven't developed a proper skincare routine all my life. I've been waking up in the morning and washing my face with water, and that's it. What do you want me to say? I'm a men's grooming YouTuber and I don't have a proper skincare routine? I'm sorry. Fortunately for me, the universe saw this calamity and sent me Lumin. Lumin is today's sponsor and offers men with skincare products which change the game with quick and easy routines that leave your skin better off than before. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to be trying the Lumin products and I'm going to be bringing you guys on that journey. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Alright, let's check out these products. The three most important products in my opinion to see great results are moisturizing balm, exfoliating rub, and the charcoal cleanser. The way it works is there are some products you use every day and some once or twice a week. The charcoal cleansing will be one that is used every day in the morning, whether it's during your morning shower, washing your face after the gym, and getting ready for sleepy time whenever that is. By applying a dime-sized amount to the face, you fight off the dirt, skirt, and circ off your face. The daily oil buildup can cause for breakouts that you can easily prevent with this. You want to cherish the charcoal cleanser. Without it, you are swagless. Next up, the moisturizing balm. This obviously does what you think it does. It moisturizes. First, you want to take an epic shot of the moisturizing balm to activate its awesomeness, taking a dime-sized amount at the most and massage it into the skin. You'll be using this after the charcoal cleanser, ideally before you hit the sack after a hard-working day of being yourself. Using this overnight allows for your body to rest, staying hydrated all night. It's also recommended to be used once you wake up after you shower. Skin hydration is important, guys, in case you haven't already caught on. Alright, now one thing that many guys forget to do is exfoliate. It seems like a tedious task, but it's something that is crucial to keeping healthy skin. It's important to note that the exfoliator is only to be used 2 to 4 days a week at the most. I would recommend 2. You would use the exfoliator before you use the moisturizing and charcoal cleanser, applying a nickel-sized amount to dry skin and rubbing till the little bally things form up. Trust me, when you use this thing for the first time, you'll realize how dirty your face really is with all that dead skin coming off. After the exfoliation, it's important to use the cleanser followed by the moisturizer. Now, the next few products are used for taking care of specific parts of the face, such as eye swelling, dark circles, skin repairment, and wrinkle care. Here we have the dark circle defense and anti-wrinkle treatment. What's great about these is they are best used before bed, dabbing a light layer of the dark circle defense under the eyes as well as the anti-wrinkle serum on areas where you need it. As your body rests, the dark circle defense and anti-wrinkle treatment do the work. Wash off the skin-saving products in the morning and add the eye puff deflator. This deflator is used to depuff the eyes. Come on guys, it's that simple. The anti-fatigue eye patch can also be used to help when your eyes are puffy and dehydrated. Placing them just above the cheekbones 2 times a week for 10 to 15 minutes or 6 to 900 seconds if you're swag like that. Finally, this mask can make you feel like a vigilante who fights crime at night while aiding sun damage, dehydration, premature aging, and dullness. Using this mask once a week after the charcoal cleanser before bedtime is the way to go. There's also the recovery oil, which is a lot more important than you would think. This baby cures the damaged skin as you apply the oil whenever the areas need hydration. I personally will be using them on my cuticles. Alright, now that you know the products, let's get through this month.
So I just got back from my landscaping job and I had a lot of dirt, dust, grass. Oh, look at my hands. It's disgusting. I'm nasty right now. So I thought it would be a perfect time to show you what these 3 products can really do to your face. Like, this is it. This is the final test of cleanliness. Okay guys, 3-4 minutes done, that's it. I didn't use the moisturizer because that's for bedtime obviously, but my skin already feels so much more cleaner, so much more smoother. Like, trust me, when I got home from work, my beard had like dust. I was all the See, I can't even explain how nasty I felt, you know? You could stick your hands through the camera and you could just, you know, like I'm literally, I feel so much more smoother. I feel like it's actually insane on how smooth I feel. So far, this 30-day journey is just, it's working out. But yeah, it looks pretty sick. Okay guys, it's been 30 days of using the Lumin products and I just want to say one thing. I should have been using these products ages ago. I've always had dry skin generally all over my face, my under eyes and eyes have lacked that moisture and just weren't breathing. But the Lumin products just changed everything. Out of all of the products, I would highly recommend the classic maintenance set. After using the exfoliator rub, I didn't think that my skin could get any more softer. But then following up with the charcoal cleanser and the moisturizing rub, it just worked wonders. Now the anti-fatigue eye patch and the intensive repair face mask were also just that bonus cleanse and hydration that your skin just needs. Now the dark circle defense didn't do anything to make my under eyes any more lighter, but what I can say it did do is making it more moisturized, hydrated. Like, it just feels like my skin can breathe everywhere now. And the eye puff deflator, that did work. In fact, every day in the morning I would use that, and it just gave me that more lively look. I didn't look like I didn't want to be at my job. It just makes you feel so much better mentally. Now guys, if there's one thing I can say after these 30 days of using the Lumin products is, you think you don't need it. You think you're okay with just using water or hand soap or whatever on your face and you're fine with it. Who knows, who cares, whatever. But you don't realize that you're actually missing out on a whole experience of facial care. Now, if you guys are interested in the Lumin way, you can check out their website. I'm leaving their link in the description box down below. And you guys can also use my code to get 20% off of your purchase. I want to thank Lumin again for sponsoring this video and introducing me to a whole new world of facial care. Anyways, until next time, bugs